Welcome to FluidSIM video tutorials. The drawing frame editor is the subject of this video. These are the topics. Using standard drawing frames. Drawing frame editor functions. Modifying drawing frames. Management of the drawing frames. Using standard drawing frames. Drawing frames are part of a standard compliant representation in technical documentation. FluidSIM comes with a number of drawing frames that can be embedded at project or page level. Drawing frames are selected at the page or project level in the properties. With the Pick button, all drawing frames that have been made available via the settings in the template management are displayed. If a drawing frame is selected for a project and the title block is filled in with attributes, then this drawing frame and the attributes are assigned to every new page in the project. In the example, a user-specific drawing frame was selected. Once a drawing frame has been assigned to the project, the attributes of the title block can be edited. Different from the project properties, individual pages can also be assigned a different drawing frame in the page properties. To do this, the check mark "Inherit from Project" is removed and then another frame is selected. With the Remove Local Frame button, the drawing frame of a page can be completely deleted from the circuit. The attributes are retained when deleting or exchanging drawing frames. The management of templates such as drawing frames is the subject of another video in this series. Drawing frame editor functions. With the drawing frame editor, new drawing frames can be created and existing frames can be edited. The drawing frame editor can be started independently of a project via the template management with the New button. The tabs from left to right divide the creation of a drawing frame into individual steps. In the tab, Name, Drawing Size, the new drawing frame is given a name in the description field that describes it so that it is safe from confusion. A standard size is now selected and the orientation is determined. The Page Border tab is used to set the page frame's graphic properties such as line thickness, style and color. Fold marks and edge marks can also be added here. The tab, Page Dividers, sets the horizontal and vertical page division. If you work with fixed numbers of columns and rows, you should consider using the drawing frame for electrical and pneumatic circuit diagrams. In electrical schematics, each rung occupies one column and is numbered according to the column. Each assembly symbol and also each terminal should be drawn on different rows and columns if possible. In the example, 8 rows and 10 columns are selected. The tab, Title Block Customizing, allows you to design completely new title blocks and save them as a new template. A template is simply selected for this video. A different attribute or graphic can then be selected for each field. A list of predefined attributes is available on the left. With the Add Attribute button, the list can be expanded to include your own attributes. If, for example, the first name of the draftsman is also to be in the title block, a corresponding attribute is created and inserted in the title block. Now the logo should be changed. The field with the Festo logo is selected with the left mouse button and can now be replaced with another image using the Choose Picture button. If the cell content is only to be deleted, mark the cell with the left mouse button and press the Delete key. The modified title block can now be saved as a new template if you want to use it more than once. Finally, the title block is positioned on the page using the Title Block Location tab. In accordance with the standard, the arrangement at the bottom right is left as it is. The Show Preview Window button opens a separate preview window. The Finish button completes the editing of the drawing frame. In the Save Drawing Frame dialog, a meaningful file name is specified, which is given the file extension FRM. The new drawing frame is now displayed in the template management with the user-specific frames. Modifying drawing frames. If a drawing frame is only to be changed, It can be selected via the template management and edited with the Edit button. For example, the newly created drawing frame should have a stronger page border and a larger logo. You can select any register as required by the task at hand. In the Page Borders tab, the outer borderline is now set to 0.5 and the inner one to 0.3. In the Customize Title Block tab, left-click on the existing logo and delete it. The field at the top left is selected and the logo is reinserted. In the row height field, the row height of the logo is now increased to 10 mm. The change can be checked in the preview window and saved with the Finish button. Changes to the drawing frame can be made in a targeted manner and in a short time using the different tabs. If a new variant of a frame is to be created, a copy of the original frame is created with the Create Copy button and saved under a new file name. The title, Copy, is automatically added to the description, but this can be changed in the drawing frame editor. Management of the drawing frames. The selection of the drawing frames can be structured in the template management. You can create your own structure by creating virtual folders and subfolders with the New Folder button. This structure is stored in the active user profile. Thank you for your attention.